Imagine you're trying to work from home, but your phone keeps buzzing with calls. You can't focus and you feel overwhelmed. Wouldn't it be great if you could handle all your calls on your computer instead? That's where RingCentral comes in. It's a powerful communication platform that lets you make and receive calls, send messages, and even hold video conferences right from your computer. But how do you get started? In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing RingCentral on your computer. Whether you're using a Windows or Mac, I've got you covered. Step 1. Create a RingCentral account. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a RingCentral account. Head over to their website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to access the RingCentral dashboard. This is where you'll manage your calls, messages, and other communication features. Step 2. Download the RingCentral app. Now it's time to download the RingCentral app. Go to the RingCentral website and click on the Download button. You'll be prompted to choose between the Windows or Mac version. Download the appropriate app for your operating system and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Step 3. Sign in to your RingCentral account. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in to your RingCentral account using the credentials you created earlier. Step 4. Set up your phone number. Before you can start making and receiving calls, you'll need to set up a phone number. RingCentral offers a variety of phone number options, including local, toll-free, and international numbers. To set up a phone number, go to the Numbers section of your RingCentral dashboard and follow the instructions. Step 5. Configure your settings. Now that you have a phone number, you can start customizing your RingCentral settings. This includes setting up your voicemail, call forwarding, and call recording preferences. You can also configure your RingCentral app to integrate with other productivity tools, such as Outlook and Google Calendar. Step 6. Start making and receiving calls. Once you've completed the setup process, you're ready to start using RingCentral. To make a call, simply open the app and dial the number you want to reach. To answer a call, click on the Answer button when it appears on your screen. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to help you get the most out of RingCentral. Use RingCentral's mobile app. In addition to the desktop app, RingCentral also offers a mobile app that you can use to make and receive calls on your smartphone. Take advantage of RingCentral's video conferencing features. RingCentral includes built-in video conferencing capabilities, so you can easily connect with colleagues and clients from anywhere. Explore RingCentral's other features. RingCentral offers a variety of other features, such as SMS messaging, faxing, and call analytics. Installing RingCentral on your computer is a simple and straightforward process that can help you streamline your communication and improve your productivity. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can be up and running in no time. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a RingCentral account today and start experiencing the benefits of a unified communication platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.